What's going on, my good people? It's Emoneyshoes here. I just want to do a quick overview on a couple of these shoes. I'm going to drop a more detailed review later on, either today or tomorrow. Over here at the mall, it's pretty nuts. Got Marshall just open. So I just want to give you a quick overview of these Jason Tatum. The Nike Air Max 97 Premium. It's part of a 3-part set. You seen I got the swipers. I forgot about the Devin Bookers. I'm kind of bummed about them. These I went up a size because they fit kind of narrow at the toe, 10.5. Got a little bit of discount. They retail for $180. I got them for $160. Like I said, this is a premium shoe. Very, very dope in my opinion. So like I said, just a quick overview. Interesting stuff by Jason Tatum, right? He was at Duke. Played ball in Missouri, was a 5-star prospect. So shout out to Missouri, Nelly, and the St. Lunatics and all that stuff. Remember all that back in the day, Tip Drill, Country Grammar, all of that good stuff. So this shoe has a lot going on in it. As you can see, all the etches and different stuff. Bulldog, 0, number with Boston. He should have been with the Lakers, but that's for another day. I mean, just a very, very dope and well executed shoe, in my opinion. I'm trying to get away from Jordans as much. Gonna start to get other shoes like 97s. I mean, you got the Art, right? Missouri, Bulldog. Like I said, 0. Got the basketball. It's just interesting. You think he's in Missouri? He could have went to Kansas, right? But he chose to go to Duke. So on this one, they got like the Deuce. I think the other tone you got number 2. So like I said, I don't want to do this video too long. Just a quick overview so you can see what the shoe look like. And inside, you got all that stuff too, like the swiper. The swiper got all that math inside, right? Because De'Aaron Fox loved math when he was in high school. So stay tuned. We're gonna do the full review soon. Thanks everybody again for stopping through on checking out the Who Has the Heat battle live yesterday. It was litty. So if you haven't had a chance to check that out, go back and check that out. Also check out my partners in crime. That's 313_Retro Queen, McFly KOF, and PM Kicks. They're trying to hear those goals. So thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for part 2. You feel me? Peace.